Alright, since last time I spoke to you guys, what do I have? I think I just had to clean them off. And all this, I think I had this off. Still haven't cleaned it up, but I have got some new parts. But I'll show you those soon. So I took off the manifold. And it's basically as I expected it to be. It was, I don't know, the gasket was had it. And that's what was causing a bit of a miss in the motor, so I've got that off, and that was a mission. I mean, I still haven't got the water pump off because I need this little bolt here is hitting, so I'm going to take this off. And hopefully I can get that off. I've already bought a new one. I'll show you that soon. I need to clean all this. This is like the last stage. I need to clean all this, take the rocker cover off, change the gaskets, change the gasket for that, gasket for this, gasket for thermostat, gasket for plenum. So I don't know if you can see, there's little bits of gasket and shit just everywhere. I mean, it was 20 years old plus, so it needs to be done. I need to clean this up. Cleaning these injectors. I need to get some new water pump bolts. I mean, these are pretty fucked. So I'll show you what I've got. So, right, so I'll go in here. I have a, excuse the shitty tone. I've got a new Phoenix aluminium radiator. Which is pretty sweet. I went with Gates water pump. That should do the job. What else have I got? I've ordered a few more things, but I'll probably just do another video when those come through. But I think this weekend's job is to basically just take this shroud off, take the radiator out, replace the radiator, replace some of the hoses, those new hoses there, put that back together so that's done, because I don't want to forget the process of doing all this shit, because obviously I haven't done it before, so I'm just trying to label everything that goes where it's supposed to. So while that's in my head, I just want to quickly do this, put a bit more back together so I don't have to worry about it, and then do everything else. So all I need to do is just take off this fucking little bolt here, take that off, get some gaskets, clean it up, and then obviously put it all back together, and hopefully I have a running car. I want to get a new alternator. I mean, this one has no problem, it's just, this looks like shit. I'll just have a new one. While I'm changing everything, I might as well just do it now. I might even get one of those new aluminium power steering fluid reservoirs as well. New water radiator reservoir. Just make it look nice. I'm going to paint all inside here. That's where the battery went. I'm going to paint all inside there again. And then I'll be able to do some cool shit. So also bought just the HSV badge. Put that on. I think that looks pretty cool. Just makes the front end of the car look just a lot better. Yeah, but that's pretty much just the update so far. Sorting this out. But obviously I'll put another video up when I've done some more progress. But for anyone that's watching, this is just a small update. And hopefully I get this shit sorted out soon so I can start driving it again. Oh, thanks for watching.